Yeah, what's up everyone? It's Kira the Investor from Kira the Investor channel. Kira from Kira the Investor channel. My bad. And today I'm about to show you out how to start dropshipping right now. This is a new method to start dropshipping to find products and do it all. First thing, you're gonna go ahead. This is just follow my steps, step by step, and you are going to be successful in dropshipping and you are going to make a lot of money, trust me, by doing only this. First thing, you're gonna go to this website, exploding topics. This is just if you are going to find something in it. You're gonna scroll down and find if there is some products that are going viral. Of course, there is nothing that is going viral right now. I don't know why this is going viral, this stuff, but I hope they cancel them. Second thing, you're gonna go to Flipper and type in the dropshipping section here, domains, and click enter. And then you're gonna find some stuff that are going viral actually here. And try to find some cheap products. If you don't find anything in this website too, you're gonna go to the third website. You're definitely going to find something here. Now in this third website, you're just gonna go to the main page, the official one, and scroll if there's some good products. This is what most dropshippers do usually. This product right here is pretty cheap. You're gonna click on the products, copy the name of the products, and you are going to buy it from here, Alibaba, this website. You are going to buy a large amount of the product from this website, Alibaba, for a cheap price, and then you're gonna order it. So while it's going to arrive to your home, you are going to do this. While it is arriving, you are going to open up a Shopify account. You're gonna type your email, start free trial if you never registered in this website, and then go ahead and name your website, store, whatever you're gonna name, put description, do it all. And then what you need to do after that is going to create your social media pages, TikTok, IG, or Facebook. Now TikTok, I don't recommend. IG at all, delete. Create a TikTok and post, and if the products arrive, the product that you buy, if the product arrive, you are going to film some high quality videos of the product and post them on TikTok. 3 videos a day. Do not mention that you are starting a business on TikTok. Do not mention that in any type of videos. Just post high quality videos on this on your page on TikTok, your account. And then what you need to do is create a Facebook advertising page. You are going to get sales from both TikTok and Facebook. TikTok is for free. Facebook, you're gonna have to pay a little bit amount of money, of course, through Facebook advertising. And then you are going to go ahead and try to sign a shipping company. Of course, you're going to go to Google if you don't know a shipping company. By the way, Shopify is a shipping company if you want to work with them, Shopify. But if you don't, you are going to go ahead and search for shipping companies and type your country name, and then you're gonna find some. Skip the ads here, top 20 shipping companies in USA. Type your country name and then search for shipping companies in your country, and then sign with one of them that you find really good. You're gonna check them all, of course, some of them on YouTube, on whatever. Check them, see people's opinion on them, and then sign with one of them, of course. And that's it, I guess. You are going to get a lot of sales. Depends on the videos that you are going to film of the product and how much money you put into advertising on Facebook or TikTok advertising. But TikTok advertising is kinda more expensive than Facebook advertising. Okay, So just TikTok for free, Facebook for advertising, paid advertising, and TikTok advertising for paid, expensive paid advertising. So I guess that was it. See y'all in the next video. Take care. Leave a like for me so the video get recommended to more people and more people, so more people can find this video helpful, and maybe they can start their online business through this video maybe. So take care for now, and have a great day.